go ahead and start completing your day one reading. Here you will find on this page the date. Make sure it's the correct date, April 21st. And then it says day one video, which is what you're watching right now. You also always want to make sure you check your homeroom reading classroom to see if your teacher has posted a video with a lesson. This is very important because each teacher is going to post a different video based off of your homeroom. And so that's why you want to check here first. Once you check there and watch that video, what you want to do next is you want to go to mywayne.wayne.k12.in.us. You don't have to type all that in. All you do is you go to your bookmarks and click on My Wayne. I'm going to go ahead and log in with a student password. And once I'm logged in, you're going to notice that the page may be blank. Yours might not be, but in this case, this one is blank. If that happens to you, all you do is you click Show All. Then you're going to click on Pearson. Once you're in Pearson, you're going to click on the My View Literacy 2020. If you can't find it, just go ahead and click down one of these and you'll eventually find it. You'll find that this student has several of them here, but he's going to go ahead and click on this first one. It doesn't matter which one you click on. Once it's loaded, he's going to go to Classes and then click on your homeroom. This is where you'll find your assignments that have been assigned to you. Now you'll notice that he only has one that's not started. He has another that's in progress that'll be on your screen that says Week 4, Lesson 1. You want to go ahead and make sure you complete both of these. This right here is the cold read that you will notice on the assignments that you'll have to do as number 2. Save that for last. And so now that he's there, we're going to go ahead and click on his in progress, and he's going to click on Unit 4, Week 4, Lesson 1. Now that he's here, you'll notice 3 assignments that will actually match the 3 check boxes that you have on your assignment page. You could do them in any order. I recommend doing the timeline first, so that way you can see it. But when you click on it, no matter what, you're going to see it in a screen that looks just like this. You'll see at the bottom his say in progress, but when you click on one, you can mark it as complete once it loads. Once it's loaded, you'll see what you have to do for this assignment. You'll read the timeline, and then what you'll do is you'll go through and you'll click the notebook. You do not need to click on the activity. It doesn't work, but you may click on the notebook and answer the question above. Once you've done that, mark as complete. You will do the same thing for the biography once that's open, and it's loading right now. It takes just a moment, but once you're there, you'll scroll down and you'll see that you have a notebook response that you need to do based off of this chart that you're going to read and look at. It has to do with biographies. Once you've answered that question inside of this, you could go ahead and click Mark as Complete. Your academic vocabulary outages is the last thing that you'll have to do, and this will probably be posted in a lesson from your teacher. I know I'm going to be posting one, but there's the the instructions at the top. If you scroll down, it'll actually read the instructions to you. Once you've read the instructions, you're going to look at the academic vocabulary words and figure out which one matches the outage that's been given below. And then you'll be able to write those words in a sentence of your own using one of these outages. Once you've done that, you could go ahead and click Mark as Complete, and that is the first portion of your assignments this week or today. Once you've done these 3, it'll say that they are completed. You could actually view them as completed if you would like by clicking on the Completed tab. And then you could go back to the Not Started and complete the on-level cold read, which is going to look like a test. This is not a test, it's just a starting point. It tells us what we need to know, so that way you guys, we can better teach you guys and show you guys what you need to do. So this is how you will complete it. And if you have questions, please make sure you go up to the front of your page where it says questions for your homeroom teacher to answer those questions that you may have. You could also wait until 2 o'clock that day, and at 2 o'clock each teacher will be having a hangout that you can join and ask questions based on what subject you are working on. All right, good luck.